Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee, and I'm so excited. We finally got the HDHU.14Si's in, and we're installing them. I've got my friend Darryl here. He came in from South Carolina, brought me this beautiful 2014 Street Glide Special, and we got to do a massive upgrade. It had Boom Stage 2 in it, and if you've ever had Boom Stage 2, you know the problems. Constantly blowing rear speakers. He said, I'm not buying any more speakers. On top of that, Harley's discontinued the Boom 2 parts. So even if you want them now, you're only available to get the used ones. Had the old GT radio, rubber buttons. You know how the displays get. His was in pretty good shape, but most of them look terrible. But now we brought him into the future. He's got the new HDHU.14Si radio in, so he's got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but we added features he never had. So even on a 2014, we have full gauges, oil pressure, speed, RPM, so many different things, throttle grip. I mean, the list is about 60 items long of all the gauges we can set. We also have motorcycle info, so it'll pop up and tell him if he loses oil pressure, if the fuel gets low. Very, very cool radio, but we added other things like Sirius XM and features he didn't have before. So we did a huge 6-speaker Hertz upgrade to it. This is using the big SP4.900 and the new HDHU.14Si, and it is just so much better. 6x9s in the rear, 6.5-inch SV mids in the lowers, and the SX 6.5s in the top. But enough talking. I know you want to hear it. We want to hear it. We're going to take it out. We're going to do a quick walk away with it and let you hear just how clear it is. All right, so I got Darryl's bike here. He's ready to load it up. We're getting a little bit of rain, so we're going to quickly try to let you hear what it sounds like and do a quick walk away with this system. Wow, this thing is crazy loud. That new HDHU.14Si radio is making it sound great, along with that Hertz SP4.900 amp. 2,000 watt peak power, 6 speakers, no risk of having to worry about blowing speakers over and over like that original Boom Stage 2. If you want to get your bike done, definitely reach out to us at Volunteer Audio. You can call us at 1-844-30-AUDIO. You can see all our packages we have available at volunteeraudio.com, and a link to the package of everything we did in this video is going to be in the description below and above us as we go throughout the video. So happy to have that new radio. I'm so glad to be already installing them, and Darryl is tickled with this bike. As you see, it keeps getting smaller. Still got a ton of volume, great bass, crisp highs. Absolutely phenomenal. Here we are, 150 feet out, still sounds great. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and as always, God bless.